you start in plank and then drop your knees, but you won't touch the mat. Yeah, drop your knees like this, almost touching the mat, but you're pushing the mat away with your palms. Now from there, you lift up into Parvatasana and then Ekapada Dvamukha Svanasana all the way up. While you're lifting your right leg up, make sure your left leg is down on the mat. And now swing it, touch your right elbow, left elbow, and towards your nose. Take it up, bring it down, then Falakasana, then the bear hold, Parvatasana, Ekapada Adho Svanasana, like that it goes. Yeah, dynamic movement. Okay, let's start. Get into Falakasana, plank posture. Check your plank whether it is in straight line. Straight line. Hip, if the hip is up, try to get into straight line. Now bend your knees. All of you bring that almost downward, but let's say not Parvatasana. Yes, yes. From there, Parvatasana. Go up to Parvatasana. Both the heels grounded. Try not to take your feet forward. Now from here, take your right leg all the way up. Up. Feel your hip crease. Up, up, up. All the way up. Up. Awesome. Now swing that right leg. Right knee meets your right elbow. See whether you can touch. All of you. Hold it there. Hold it there. Touch, 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 touch. Yes. Wonderful. Yes. Now the left elbow. Left elbow. Left elbow. See how don't bring it down. Yes. Left elbow. Now round your spine and take it towards your nose. Yes. Yes. Donna, towards your nose. The nose. And then swing it upward. Again, Ekapada Adho Mukha Svanasana all the way up. And from there, bring it down onto the mat. And then lean forward to Falakasana, plank. Krishna, you will have to take your leg back. Yes. Okay. Falakasana. Falakasana. Donna, lift your body up, 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 up. Yes. Now, all of you, please bring your knees down. Almost touching the mat, but don't bring it down completely. Bear hold. Yes, hold it there, hold it there. Knees should not touch the mat, but it should be lowered. Yes, wonderful. Go back to Parvatasana. Parvatasana. This time, lift your left leg up. Make sure your right foot is grounded all the way up, 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 up. Wonderful, guys. Now, swing that left leg to meet your left elbow. You should touch your left elbow. Touch, touch, touch. Yes, now take it, swing it to the other side to touch your right elbow. Right elbow, yes, guys. Now swing it, take it towards your nose. Take it towards your nose. Yes. Now take that leg back, take it up towards the ceiling. Straight leg, no bend. Straight up and bring it down. Awesome. Now we'll do Surya Namaskara. Surya Namaskara, regular Surya Namaskara, but the plank, we'll hold it like this. This part, right? This part, that will be down on the mat. So rather than keeping the palm on the mat, we'll make a fist and bring that down. Yeah? Make a fist like this. And then, see, we have a flat surface right here. So it is easy to hold. And lift up. Hold it here. Can all of you try before the Surya Namaskara? Just see whether you can get the correct position. If it is really difficult for you, then be on your palms. If you're comfortable in Falakasana, if you're able to hold the Falakasana, then you can use a fist. Yeah, and we will do till 20. Yeah, and in between, if you're not able to hold, you can come down and rest. You bring you bring the knees down and you can rest. Yeah, okay. So let's start. Surya Namaskara, facing the shorter edge of them. All of you got it, right? How to keep the fist. Only for Falakasana, Luzair, not now. Yeah, okay. All the other asanas are the same. Only Falakasana, the plank posture, we are modifying. Yeah, okay. Join your palms together and Namaste. Close your eyes. Pranamasana, normal breathing. Inhale, Hastottanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, Ashwasanchalanasana, right leg backward. Right leg, always right leg backward, first time. Now, exhale, take your left leg back, Falakasana, and get into a fist. Make a fist with both the hands and align your wrist and your shoulders and see whether your body is in one straight line. If you want, you can look towards the screen and check, okay, check whether your body is in one straight line. Yes, yes, hold it there, breathe, and take your navel in towards your spine, your glutes, your neck in straight line. Hold. Okay, let's do 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your knees down onto the mat, Ashtanga Namaskar, and hold your breath here if you can. Your tummy will not touch the mat here. Hold your breath. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Now scoop up in the Bhujangasana. From there, your navel will touch the mat. You lift your upper body. And now exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, take your right foot, not your left. Right foot forward, Ashvasanchalanasana. Exhale, take your back foot forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, Hastotanasana, arch your back. Exhale, Pranamasana. Beautiful. Yeah. Now, next Phalakasana also, you try whether you can do it again. You try maybe for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, whatever is accessible. You hold and you come down. Okay. Join your palms together. Close your eyes. Normal breathing. Inhale, Hastotanasana. Exhale, Padahastasana. Inhale, left leg backward, Ashvasanchalanasana. Exhale, get into Phalakasana and start breathing there. Radhika, Phalakasana. Phalakasana and get into a fist at the same time. Dona, shoulder forward, shoulder forward, shoulder forward. No. Wrist is above. You take your all of you please come down. All of you please come down. Whenever you are in Phalakasana, please observe whether you are getting it right. Otherwise, if I see now my shoulder is not in line. This is shoulder in line. See, if this is what I'm doing, then eventually I'm going to hurt myself. So you need to align. Align, even if you're making a fist also, you see this will not work. You need to align it like this. Yeah. Yes, get into Phalakasana, align your shoulders, lift if you feel that your body is drooping down, lift up. Yes, wonderful. Hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Gently come down, Ashtanga Namaskara, knee down, chest down, chin down, and see whether you can hold your breath comfortably, otherwise no need. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. From here, inhale, scoop up into Bhujangasana. Only your navel will touch the mat. Other parts of your body lift up. Upper body lift up. Now exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, take your left leg forward, Ashvasanchalanasana. Back leg also forward, Padahastasana. Inhale, Hastotanasana. Exhale, Pranamasana.